Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a backdrop, like a backsplash to your furniture, and I'm going to be using a wine cork and some white paint. Again, I just want to spruce up this piece of furniture. It can be used for an office. It's a multi-purpose piece of furniture. Part of it is wood, and if you want to see how I did this, you can look at my videos, in my previous videos. So this time I'm going to be doing a backsplash on the wood only, which is 3 pieces, 1 2 3, using a wine cork and white paint to make a polka dot backsplash. Okay, so first I'm going to cover part of the furniture so I don't get paint all over it. Okay, so this is the cork I'm going to be using, and let's see how this comes out because I've never done it before. So let's see. Okay, so you will see when I'm all finished putting the backsplash in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the finished look of the backsplash for this multi-purpose furniture. The top is solid wood and the bottom is raw iron, and I have a video where I put them together if you want to see that, but today's video is just to show you a backdrop of polka dots that I did on it, just to give it a different look. And that's it for today. Thanks for being with me and being patient. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. See you next time.